Hi everyone! I want to say a massive thank you to the incredible initial response we've had to selling our 2025 Watercolour Advent Calendar, and I'm very happy to say that the wait is over for the Advent Calendar Kit. We've got our paints now, and you'll see why it took a little bit of time, because I commissioned a specially designed matching set of paints to go with our calendar. And of course we need brushes, so this year the kit is going to include 3 of my pointed round brushes. We've got, hard to get them in shot there, we've got a size 0, a size 2 and a size 4 brush. It's just everything you need to get painting with me. So if you want to have a little look inside, see what kind of colours we've got going on, then watch on. So here is our gorgeous little kit designed to match the rest of the Advent calendar, and just like before we've got a little swatch set, and I've got a little bit of protective paper because we've got something really exciting in here. If I can take it off, is we've got 2 metallic colours to go with our regular colours, and it's something I asked specially for. So this has never been done before on the Watercolour Advent Calendar, at least from the tutorial perspective. Is there are going to be points where I'm going to use just a little bit of metallics, but let's have a look at these gorgeous transparent light fast professional artist watercolours. So yeah, I'm going to use my brushes. You get 3 brushes in the set this year. You get a size 4, a size 2 and a size 0, and of course you can use the little sheet here for mixing your colours, or if you're doing it at home and you've got a little palette to one side, then you can use that too. So let's have a look. I've woken up the colours with a little bit of a spray, and just with my size 4 brush I'm going to use the little swatch card to just show you what we've got. So just like the set that we launched over the summer, what we've done is given you a set of colours that are just brilliant for mixing. So some slightly new shades that I've chosen to be particularly perfect for Christmas and wintry themes. This deep green here is going to be amazing. And then I've got a nice royal blue. So the good news is if you all bought one of our limited edition sets in the summer, this is going to be a really nice complement to those. But also if you didn't buy the set in the summer, this is going to be just a really lovely little set that you can have for your Advent calendar painting, but also for painting Christmassy designs and beyond really. So that metallic is lovely and creamy, and it's also like a really pearlescent pale silver that I've chosen to go for. So I'm going to be sort of mixing it in to various other colours as we go. So we've got those colours as the set, but what I want to show you is just how good these are at mixing up various different colours. So here is something I prepared earlier. I did a little colour swatch chart, so I put all the colours along the top and all the colours down the side, and then down on the grid what we can do is see what the colours look like when mixed together. But what I've done on the top half here, this triangle, I've mixed the colours really concentrated, and on this side I've mixed them when they're both really dilute and pale. And you can see from this that we get a lovely range of greens, reds. Then what I'm really excited about is the sort of icy blue kind of colours. And also, of course, with our 2 metallics, we have got the opportunity to do some shimmery metallic shades. So I think you might be able to see a little bit of shine popping out on some of those. But yeah, that is what this little palette gives us, and this is what I will be using for the Advent calendar tutorial. So if you would like to have exactly the same kit that I'll be using, then you can buy this as a full kit on my Etsy shop and on the website as well. However, if you have already got your calendar or you're creating your own one, but you'd love to get a set of these colours, maybe just for general Christmas painting, you can buy one of these sets individually also on the site as well. So that now completes our set of Advent calendar goodies and Christmas products. Thank you so much for your patience. We've been desperately working very hard behind the scenes to get all of this ready for you. And in the current climate, things do take a little bit longer and a little bit more effort. But we are here, we've got everything, and I'm so excited to start this watercolour advent calendar with you all. So head to the episode notes below to get the link to buy your advent calendar kit.